Hello, everybody. We are now on level 3 of lesson 11, CSS Classes, and we are meeting the Ghost Gang with Blinky, Inky, Pinky, and Clyde. All right, so the four ghosts. This page describes the four ghosts from Pac-Man and Mrs. Pac-Man, but only one of them is styled with a special class. Do this. Look through the code to see how the Blinky class works. Add a new class attribute in the index.html file for each of the other three ghosts. Add a class rule set in the style.css file for each of the three ghosts. Add properties to each rule set to style the ghost's image and paragraphs differently. All right, and then remember, if we click on the Show Me How button, it will actually show us where to go, what to type, and help us get started. But you got me, so we're going to close that and we're going to do this together. Let's rock on. So first, let's go look at style.css, and there is Blinky in all of their glorious redness. So now we have to do that to Inky, Pinky, and Clyde. Okay, so let's go look at the index file. All right, now notice that the image has a class, the heading has the same class, and the paragraph also has the same class. So that's what we're going to do down here. We're going to say class equals, this is Inky. We're going to do it here as well. So class equals Inky. And last but not least, the paragraph. So class equals Inky. All right, so now that we've done that, we're going to come into style.css, and I'm going to cheat a little bit. So I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to enter. I'm going to paste it again. And I'm going to take off the B and the L. All right, so that worked. We can see that it looks the same. However, we don't want red. We want blue. Let's find a good blue. Let's find a blue that matches. Is that blue? I think that might be aqua. Oh, I'm correct. There we go. So aqua, Inky, looks just like Blinky. All right, let's go do it to Pinky. So for Pinky, here's the image. Here's the heading. Here's the paragraph. And there's the image again. So right here, we're going to say class equals Pinky. And there we go. All right. We're going to do this. And you know what? Let's make our lives easy. Let's copy this. So Control C. Let's come in here, enter, and paste. Let's come in here again, enter, and paste. All right. So now we're going to come over to style.css. Once more, I'm just going to copy all of this. I'm going to go enter. I'm going to paste it. And I'm going to put a P for Pinky. All right, now Pinky looks like Inky, and we don't want that, so we're going to replace the color aqua. And let's say pink. Which pink do you, I think hot pink. All right, so now Pinky, Inky, and Blinky are all done. Now we just got to do Clyde. So we're going to go back to index one last time. There's Clyde. So enter class equals Clyde. All right, we're going to copy the class. Control C. Going to go to the header, enter, Control V, go to paragraph, enter, Control V. All right, now let's go play around with it. We're going to copy Pinky, enter, Control V for paste, and we're going to replace Pinky's name with Clyde. All right, pink and pink, we don't want that, we want orange. Clyde needs to be orange, so let's do orange, and I like it. All right, so we have dark orange. We have Clyde, Pinky, Inky, and Blinky. They all look fabulous. I think we have met the criteria for this level. And I'm going to press the orange finish button. I will see you on level 4. Here we go.